Mga ka-G, makikita natin sa gospel ngayong araw yung pagbabayad ng tax. Pinakita rin na hindi exempted si Jesus dito. During his time, may 4 na klase ng duties. Pero aside dito, meron pang for temple na kailangan nilang bayaran taon-taon. At may tinuturo ito sa atin. First, paying temple tax helps sa maintenance. Pero it also has a deeper meaning. Paying taxes means na we're submitting to a higher authority. At si Jesus binayaran ang temple tax not out of duty but out of love. Second, in order to avoid scandal. In paying the tax, Jesus is teaching his disciples a super important lesson. Avoid anything na pwedeng makakos ng scandal sa ibang tao. He knew that if he will not pay the tax, people might think na disrespectful siya kay God. Kaya nga, sa pagpapakita ni Jesus dito, the virtue of charity invites us to always strive to edify others by our example. And lastly, kailangan natin magsipag to work hard. Kailangan nating magsikap at hindi lang umasa sa himala dahil may mga bagay tayong dapat pag-ipunan at paggastusan. G ka ba?